Hey, profitable creator, Molly here, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can add an online course to your existing small business. Now, hey, if we have not met before, my name is Molly. I've done over $7 million in online course sales, and I've helped over 5,000 small business owners all around the world to grow their followers and sales. Now, if you're excited to learn how you can add step-by-step a profitable online course to your existing small business, go ahead and give this video a like. And if you are on your way to starting your first online course or growing your online course and you want to learn more about this topic of online courses, go ahead and hit subscribe to my channel because that is my main focus of this channel and you're going to learn so much. All right, so without further ado, let's dive into the 4 tips that you can use to add a profitable online course to your existing small business. All right, so the first and easiest way to get started is if you are already a small business owner that is successful, turn what you already know and what you already do into an online course. So for me, I was a photographer. So I made an online course helping other photographers. But, even if you don't have a successful photography business, maybe you're really good at taking pictures. Maybe you're successful, with using your camera and you could teach other people how to do that. It doesn't necessarily always need to be helping other people to grow their business or make money. You can just teach people about a passion or a skill that you already have. So let's take, for example, my student, Chef Lisa Brooks. She owns a personal chef business and she grew this to be very successful. And now she teaches other personal chefs how to do just that. Now let's look at my other student, Catherine Cooper. Now she has a successful boudoir photography studio, but she doesn't teach other people how to do that. She actually teaches women how they can take their own sexy selfies just using their cell phone. So you can really do a plethora of different ideas to turn what you already know and what you already do into an online course. This can be a fantastic additional source of revenue and a great way to diversify your income streams within your business. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is come up with a list of different ideas. So like I said, maybe you are a personal chef and you're thinking about, okay, I'm currently a personal chef. What kind of course can I create? I could help other people start their own personal chef businesses. I could teach other people how to act as a personal chef at their own house. I could teach people how to systemize their cooking and create every Sunday you batch make all of your meals for the week or whatever that is. Take all the skills that you already know and what you do and start listing out just a bunch of different online course ideas that you could do. Then the next step that you want to do is you want to start researching these ideas. So you want to use different search engines, Google, YouTube, Udemy, Teachable, any kind of search engine or a search engine for courses where you can start to search these ideas and see which ideas are already out there and are already proven to sell. You absolutely want your first course idea to be one that is already out there and is already proven to sell, because that's going to make it so much easier for you to have success with your first online course. You're going to be able to look at somebody else who's already done this idea and already been successful with it, and you're going to be able to say, hey, if they can do it, I can do it. And not only can you think that way, but it's also, statistically proven that if they've made this idea profitable, that then you can as well. Okay, so once you've researched the different ideas, you found the ones that will be proven to be profitable, then narrow it down to the idea that will be profitable and the one that you want to go with to hone in on the course idea that you're gonna use going forward. Now, the next thing you wanna do is take that course idea and you wanna pre-sell your course. Now, I have done this with every course that I have created and launched. I pre-sell it first, and I have an entire video on this process in my YouTube channel. I've also helped my students to do the same. My students on average do $3,000 or more within their first 30 days. So you don't need to spend months and months and years building out your course. In fact, you don't want to do that. You want to actually start to make sales right away. This is going to help you get money up front in your pocket, start your business profitably, start your course journey profitably, but also start helping people right away and also prove and know that your course idea is once again going to be a profitable one. Okay, now those are the main 4 steps on how you can turn what you already know, love, and do into an online course. Now you're probably wondering though, how do I build an audience for this? How do I get started with this step by step? How do I make those first sales? Which social media platform should I be on? How do I eventually grow it to consistent monthly passive income? Listen, I have you covered. I answer all of those questions and more in my free on-demand training, How to Turn Your Passion into an Online Course That's Profitable from Day One. So I'm going to go ahead and show you step by step on my screen how you can go ahead and snag your free seat to watch this on-demand training now. Just go to profitablecourses.com/class. And here it's going to take you to a page where you can sign up for the class. The class is called called How to Turn Your Passion into an Online Course That's Profitable from Day One, even if you're unsure what to teach, feel inexperienced, don't have a following, or you're short on time. We're going to be covering my profitable idea framework so you can nail down your course idea or ensure the one that you already have picked out will be profitable and get your students crazy good results. I'm going to be showing you my Post-it Power Hour framework so you can create your course content in 1 hour and get your course up and running ASAP. I'm also going to be sharing with you my profitable following framework and how I use it to grow a following from $0 to $17,000 in course enrollments in 30 days, even during the peak of the pandemic. This is super fun workshop. You're going to get a ton out of it. As soon as you enroll, you're going to get a bonus of my profitable course Kickstart workbook, and I'm going to be sending you some additional free training videos so that you can start to get results and help right away. Students have had great results with my teaching, so go ahead, just click any of the pink Yes, I'd Want to Attend buttons. Go ahead and select the date and time that you want. It will ask you to put your time zone, first name, email address, and phone number is optional, and then you can click to register now. I can't wait to see you there.